How's it going, everyone? Mike here with May 21st, Merch by Amazon sales update. It's going to be a quick one. I was looking at the YouTube statistics, and it looks like the average watch time for these update videos is about 2.5 to 3 minutes. So, and sometimes I know I ramble on and I go into all these different details about uh, the whole month, the whole week, and then sometimes I'll talk about random upload uh, updates and activities and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to stick to the numbers because I think most of you actually do watch these just for the actual numbers and you want to see how I'm doing, how the sales are going. So I'll do that, and then maybe for some of these videos I'll actually go into a lot more detail. So the day yesterday was pretty standard. As you can see here, 5 sales in the US, one in France, for the total of 6 sales. So 6 sales yesterday. I'm recording this first thing today. There are no sales today yet, but this is lower average, I would say. As you can see here, it's been hovering from anywhere from 7 to 5 to 4. This week, actually, if I didn't have the 14 sales day, it would be an extremely slow week. So this is the thing that kind of like kept the average up, but overall, it's an extremely slow week. I'm still hovering around 50 to 55 sales per 7 days. So 7 day average is about 50 to 55. And then I am on course to hit an average month. So I think it's going to be around where April was. As you can see here, there are about 10 days left, and that will probably be about 50 to 60 sales unless something doesn't go according to the recent trend. And I will have about 190 to 200 sales in the US, and then the rest will be, let's actually look at this, the rest will be across all the other marketplaces. So right now I'm sitting at 155 total. And so what is that? The 22nd. So let's look at previous month, the 21st days. 22nd is today, so today is not taken into consideration. So 170. So I'm 15 off from my last month at this point. So pretty much what I'm trying to say, that the summary is it is an average month, and the good thing here is that if we're looking at sales, so for example, starting November, the new average and the new low average is still around 200 sales in the US and around 250 to 300 total, which gets me about $1,000 in profits every month, which is amazing because look at this. So for example, going back until November, that's kind of been the average, right? That's with the tier up and everything. And then now, for example, I've been listing more products every single day. So I'm expecting this to kind of like the curve to go up eventually at some point. I don't think it's going to be like an exponential curve, but it's going to be a slow climb up. But what I'm trying to say is if you go back to October and all of 2020, and I understand that this is a different year because of COVID, look at the average sales, right? So even a slow month, which I would consider, for example, February, April, and May to be slow months, they're still outperforming significantly all of last year, and even going into 2019, which is amazing. That means like if something doesn't happen where I completely screw things up, this will be the new average. So $5,000 in sales and $1,000 in royalties is the new norm on a slow month, which is amazing, right? Right now I have 26,540 products live, and you know what? I'm uploading every single day. I have my Macs ready to go as soon as I stop recording this video, and that'll be it. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up. I've hit 5 minutes, which is double the time of the average viewer. And I actually never say this, but I'm gonna start saying it in the videos. Hit the like button, subscribe, and that will actually get the video in front of more viewers. That's how the YouTube algorithm works. So if you guys don't do that, other people won't get to watch it. But as for right now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.